Welcome to this rare opportunity for a gorgeous single-level custom home in coveted West Park Estates. This 2008 tour home is thoughtfully crafted for the best in indoor and outdoor living. It's also fully ADA designed. This top-quality Bergby home of more than 3,000 square feet features 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. From the grand entry, head inside and discover an open-concept floor plan with tall tray ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and high-end finishes throughout. Entertain in the bonus room with built-ins, ready for game or movie night. The custom chef's kitchen features granite countertops, a cooktop island, stainless steel appliances, a trash compactor, and double ovens. The flexible floor plan includes 2 primary suites with another fireplace, plus direct access to the fenced backyard with the underground heated pool and a full gate. The spa-like primary bath includes a roll-in shower and multiple shower heads, and a large walk-in closet with organizers. The second primary suite, also with a high tray ceiling, is filled with natural light, with a well-appointed full bath and a walk-in closet. Built-ins frame the 3rd bedroom or office, and you'll find a 4th bedroom next to the 3rd full bath. Your 4-legged friends will also love the built-in dog washing station. Entertain during every season under the covered patio. End the day with a relaxing swim or hold pool parties for friends and family. The double extra deep garage provides workspace. A one-of-a-kind custom home in a fantastic neighborhood. It's all here, ready for you to call home. For more information, please contact TJ Garber with Premier Property Group.